Hey guys, here is the new Dark Carnival tutorial that's being released today. Um, this comes with a Dark Carnival preset that I use for the color grading in this image for Adobe Camera Raw. And then I also go through that preset as well so that you understand the changes that were made. And then I also provide an action workflow with this tutorial. Right now I have tutorials on sale, buy two get one free as of April 27th. It's a flash sale, so it's subject to end at any time. That's why I'm mentioning the date. So hop on over at the store. The link to this tutorial is in the description below. And if you haven't heard already, it's April 27th. My masterclass is open to the public right now, and it will be on sale and open to for registration through Saturday or until the seats are filled. I have a little bit over 10 seats available still, so that information can also be found on my website, or you can shoot me an email at hello@terramapes.com and ask for the registration link. And I'll also include that information in the description below. So stay enchanted.